Come unbox with me my YSL Beauty haul that included this white pouch and a few other cool freebies. If you're a makeup lover and haven't been living under a rock, then you know that YSL Beauty has a pretty decent loyalty program when it comes to their beauty brand. One of my favorite things about their loyalty program is that you accumulate points and you can use their promo codes to get free items. For this beauty haul, when you spent a certain amount, you were able to get 6 free gifts, but the main one I was excited about was their luxury compact mirror. Because I'm already a fan of their lip shine oil sticks, I could not wait to actually get my hands on this compact mirror. But what I was not expecting was for it to be a flip over. I just thought the mirror was behind the logo and that was it. But I am surprised with the quality and the weight of it. But let's move on to these other freebies I got. They included this sample size candy glazed lipstick, which I absolutely love and actually bought in another color full sized. And they included 2 mini size perfumes, which was the Y perfume as well as their Libra perfume. These minis I'm actually going to put to the side. I love having these on my nightstand. They're so cute. But moving on, they also gave me this blurring primer, which I guess goes on as a base. The rest of my order includes a bunch of refills that I stocked up on since this was a percentage off sale. So I pretty much did a haul of things that I use all of the time and pretty much could see myself running out of. My favorites are the Candy Glow lipsticks, the Love Shine Oil lipstick, as well as the liquid blush. For the Love Shine Candy Glow, my absolute favorite color is 3B. It's the rosewood color. It gives my lips that pink undertone without it looking fake. So it's like a natural blushy look that matches my skin tone so perfectly. Another one of my YSL favorites is their liquid blush in this nude color. What made me fall in love with this particular one was the fact that I love how it glows on and it blurs. It isn't blotchy, it isn't streaky, and it blends so well. And because I am a light brown skin, the warm pink complements my skin tone completely. And the final item in my YSL haul is their Love Shine Oil Stick in the color Rosewood. Again, it was a color thing for me. I love how the color looks against my skin tone and it gives me a little deeper pink and stands out a little bit more than the Candy Glaze did. So these are basically my go-tos from the YSL brand and my absolute must-haves when it comes to having a restock on hand. From this makeup haul, I was actually promised a beauty bag and it was not included. So I contacted YSL and they immediately sent me what was supposed to be in my original order. And here it is, their white makeup pouch. Again, I love a loyalty program that just ODs with the freebies. And so this is why YSL will forever have me as a customer as long as they keep things like this up. So let me know what you think about my YSL beauty haul.
I don't have to find an aesthetic. I am an aesthetic. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out here right now who's going into Pinterest trying to type up all these adjectives to describe me.